Morning, guys. Salty Bushwhacker here. We are heading out today, and the mission is tuna and mahi. So we're getting ready to jump up on plane. I got Zach with me today. We've had a kind of couple slow days, so we need something to build our confidence back. So we're going to do that today. We're going to head out and put a smack down on some fish. So let's go see what we can find. All right, first fish of the day. It might be a tuna. Shark wins. Nice dolphin. Nice mahi. We're out here in about 1,000 feet of water. We left the Isla Morada humps, heading to the 409 humps, just working our way, zigzagging back and forth, trying to find some mahi. And we're catching a lot of mahi, just a lot of little ones. We haven't found a school of big ones yet, but we have been able to put a couple in the cooler. Ooh. Oh, if he's 20 inches total length. I think this one's gonna make it. Hard to get a hold of. Nice mahi, guys. Beautiful. What do you think, Zach? He's gonna make it? 21. Now leave it out. I think we'll be clear of it. I think he's gonna keep. It's gonna be close, like all of them. Oh, there we go. There we go. Nice jump. Sight cast him now, guys. Oh yeah. He's giving us a show too. Got any more in you? Alright. Hey guys, so we're pretty much finished up. We had a long day today. It's 5 o'clock now. I think we left the dock at 8ish. So it was a 9-hour day. We caught a lot of fish today. We caught a lot of little fish. But I think we ended up with 8 mahi and 2 tuna. We probably released 5 or 6 tuna that were too small. And we probably released another, I don't know, 10 mahi that were too small. But all in all, man, the hard work and the dedication and just grinding it out made for a good day. We finished strong with on the humps, which we were here for tuna, but the mahi showed up and the birds were schooling, hanging out, and we could just see the mahi swimming by the boat. So we finally just grabbed a couple jigs, and this is what was real effective. It's the Little John on a half-ounce jig. I use chartreuse. It's just what I tied on before we left, and when I would see one, I would throw it about 20 yards away from it and make it look like it was running from them, and man, they were devouring that jig. So great day. We got about a 22-mile run home. We're gonna fire up and head home and clean some fish, and maybe we'll definitely get a bite to eat. So stay tuned. Alright guys, we made it back to the dock. Beautiful, slicked out conditions. We were able to run back with no issues. We had a good day, but it was a lot of work, which was good because we've had a couple tough days. The last couple days we went fishing. We had to work for them, like I told you before. But we ended up with 8 mahi and 2 blackfin tuna that were keepers. We had, I don't know the exact number, but probably close to 10 that we released of the mahi, and I don't know, 5 or 6 of the tuna. But the tuna we released, they were like that. They were baby. They were like something for an aquarium. But I'm gonna get these things to the fillet table. I'm gonna clean them up, and we're gonna do some grilling tonight. We're gonna sear the tuna, do some seared ahi sesame tuna, and we're probably gonna blacken some of the mahi, and we're gonna maybe do some rice, like what we like to call power bowls, with some jasmine rice, with the sushi on it and avocado and stuff like that. But I think that's what we're doing. Leslie's in charge of that. She's at the store right now. My job is to clean it, and we'll see you at the grill. Okay guys, so we did the power bowls last night, but the video didn't come out so well. So tonight we're using the mahi, and we're gonna make some hoagie rolls, some sandwiches with a twist. So in front of me here you see the ingredients, and first things first, we have the mahi. So I'm blackening the mahi. I'm gonna do it on the flat top on the grill, and it's simple. We're doing like a hollandaise béarnaise sauce right here. It's an instant packet. It's not made from scratch, but you just add milk and butter, bring it to a simmer, and it's ready to go. This stuff is delicious. But what I'm gonna do with this sauce is I'm gonna squeeze lemons in it at the end, which just gives it a nice key lime or lime hollandaise sauce type flair, and it's awesome over stuff. So we're doing that over the fish, which is going to be on the sandwiches. Then your basic ingredients: we're going to do some tomato, we're going to do some red onion, we're going to do a bed of lettuce on it, and we're going to have some avocados. So I am going to dice this stuff out, and we're going to head over to the grill and get this fish ready and assemble these sandwiches. So let's dice this stuff up. And bam, the veggies are cut, everything's prepped. So we got our lettuce, we got our avocado, our onion, and our tomato. Nice big thick piece of onion or tomato. We have our hoagie rolls over here. They're fresh from Publix. And then I got my hollandaise sauce. I'm going to do it on my burner next to the grill. Just got to bring this to a simmer, stir it as it's getting hot, and then right at the end I'll squeeze these lemons into it to give it some acid and a little bit of citrus taste. And you'll assemble your sandwich and then top it with this sauce, and it's going to be amazing. So stand by. We're gonna head out to the grill right now. We're gonna start blackening this fish. All right, guys, we made it out to the grill here. We're getting ready to blacken some of this fish. We got the hollandaise sauce on the burner. It's just got to simmer for a while and thicken. Right as it finishes off, I'm gonna squeeze the lime juice in it just to give it that flavor. But what we're gonna do right now is we're just gonna get this fish blackened. And you guys probably know me by now. Like I always say, I like to just blacken one side of the fish because I like to taste the fish. So if you like to blacken both sides, blacken both sides. All right, we're gonna close this thing up and let this grill do its thing. All right, guys, our fish is flipped over, blackened on one side real good. Hollandaise sauce is simmered it for a while and it's starting to thicken. All we're gonna do now is just squeeze some lemon juice in there. Just like that, just to give it a little citrusy taste. We'll just do 2 more, just like that. And we stir that in. I do it at the end because usually citrus and dairy stuff don't like to mix, but if you do it at the end, it'll stay together and come out just fine. But that's perfectly thickened. I cut the heat. We'll throw the lid on it. We're letting these finish up for a little bit longer, and then we're going to assemble these sandwiches for you. All right, guys. So we're here. We got this all set up. We're going to assemble one of these, and we're going to put Donald to the taste test. So we're going to do a little light bed of lettuce.
Tomato.
A little bit of tomato.
A little bit of pomidor.
Okay. We got a fish going on here.
Sauce.
Go with that. Okay, so we have our hollandaise lime sauce.
I'm so excited. Do you want this?
Yeah, we're gonna do a little side dish of potato salad. We're gonna do some avocado across the top.
Macaroni salad.
Show me.
Oh yeah,
salad.
All right, and a little bit of onion. This is not a. This is a man sandwich.
Excellent.
It's a manwich.
It's a manwich. Where's the fork? Okay. Thank you very much.
All right, so there's our sandwich assembled: blackened mahi, avocado, onion, tomato, our hollandaise sauce with lime, a little bit of lettuce mixed in there, a little side of macaroni salad, not potato salad, and Donald's going to give it a shot. He's going to need a napkin.
Okay. Yeah, probably going to need a napkin.
When it's all over,
Yeah,
that piece
here we
is
go.
good.
What's good about this sandwich is when it's running down to your elbows while you're eating it, that means it's good.
Need a bit of this pasta.
There used to be a commercial for Jack in the Box.
Man. There's nothing like fresh fish.
Yes. The sauce, right, with the lime in it,
The
it's
sauce
perfect.
is, yeah,
Perfect.
awesome, man.
So I got to be honest with you, the sauce is not an original idea. Lazy Days restaurant down the road does kind of a similar sauce to this. Couple more scallions and diced tomatoes, and it's made a little bit different. But I just did it the quick way with the instant hollandaise sauce. But that's it, guys. I'm gonna make myself one of these and I'm gonna devour it. Thanks for your support, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next adventure. Remember, Salty Bushwhacker, it is a way of living.
Press the button.